While scrolling through YouTube Shorts, one video grabbed me instantly. It had over 1 million views. Curious, I dove deep to find out why. After days of research, I uncovered the secret behind creating these viral hits. And here's what I found. So, it's important that you watch this video from start to finish, as I'm going to cover everything in detail. Now, before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome to Hustler's Tactics, where I share proven ways to make money online. I test out strategies that work and bring them straight to you so you can replicate the results yourself. The best part is, you don't need to own a pet or create original animal videos. These are super easy to make, and there's no risk of copyright claims. During my research, I discovered that many of these videos come from Chinese apps. First, let's get the videos. The Chinese apps we can use are 1. Douyin, which is the Chinese version of TikTok. 2. Kuaishou. 3. Xiaohongshu. They all work both on Android and iOS, so it doesn't matter what phone you use. You can actually do this right now and make money online. I will be using Douyin, which is the Chinese version of TikTok, but you can use any of the 3 apps. Simply search for the app, download it, and register. You'll be asked to select your interests. Choose the animals and pets category to get more pet videos. Once inside the app, you'll see plenty of animal videos. Look for those with lots of views, likes, and comments. Pick one, and to download the video, click the share button and copy it. Next, head over to Google, find a video downloader, paste the link, and download the video. To make the video engaging, we'll need to edit it and add some funny captions. You can use ChatGPT to generate these captions. Simply describe what's happening in the video, and ChatGPT will give you some fun captions to use. This will make your video more engaging and encourage viewers to leave comments. It's important for you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. Now let's edit the video using Capcut or any video app. Start by changing the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. To avoid copyright issues, we'll remove the original sound and add new audio. To remove the sound, right-click on the video, click Extract Audio, and delete it. Then, drag your chosen sound onto the timeline. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the caption you like the most. In CapCut, click Default Text, paste the caption, and adjust its font, size, style, and color. Once you're happy with the edits, export the video to your device. If you download a video with Chinese captions, here's how to handle it. Screenshot the parts with Chinese text, then use an image-to-text converter found on Google. Upload the screenshot, extract the text, and use ChatGPT to translate it into English. Then add your new English captions on top, adjusting them so the Chinese text is no longer visible. For a cleaner look, add a background to the text. To make the video even more engaging, let's add a voiceover. Use a text-to-speech tool for this step. Play through the video and replace any other Chinese captions in the same way. Once you're done, export the video. Now you're ready to start creating these videos and uploading them on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Create your YouTube Shorts channel, stay consistent, and watch your channel grow as you start making money from it. You can explore any niche that excites you, and not only the pet videos, whether it's dance, fashion, exotic fruits, or even tech trends. The possibilities are endless. All you have to do is head over to Chinese video apps, find a trending or eye-catching video, grab the link, and download it. With just a few clicks, you'll have fresh, unique content ready to go. If you haven't already, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel to help us grow this community together. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Take care.